If you ever want to upgrade your air suspension, air hose, this is the video to stay tuned to. Suspension, I want to say 95% done right now. I just got to hook up the lines, the air hoses, the air struts. So, and I'm going to upgrade my lines too. This is what they give you, this cheap ass plastic tubing. I'm upgrading steel line hose. Be better. Now the struts I'm using is the Monroe MA819 shock absorber struts, whatever you want to call them. And on Amazon, 2 pairs for $58.50. I was thinking that I was kind of mad that it was gonna be white, but they actually ain't white. They actually came out. It actually was black when they sent them. So that was a false advertising on the picture, but I'm glad it came in black because I was gonna have to spray them. I didn't want that white. I don't even know why they would make some struts white anyway. I don't recall. But if you didn't purchase these already, they come with these weak plastic air hose. Yeah, plastic air hose. That's the little kit it come with. Got the air hose and all the caps and stuff. A couple of clips so you can just clip it against the frame and hold it in place along the body of the car. But get rid of that weak shit. I ended up upgrading to some steel line. No, they on Amazon too. That's what they are. Look on Amazon. 48 link. They're about 19 bucks. Now, you gonna need, I wanna say 2 of these. I use 2 of these, so you're gonna need 2 of these. And then you're gonna need some fittings. These are fittings you're gonna need. That's one of the fittings here. Hopefully you can get that part number. And they about 10 bucks. I ended up getting 2, so you get 2 for each side because you got to connect two of these holes together for both sides. So basically you got to get 4 of these. And then the connector I use for the strut was an elbow. Now this is the elbow you're gonna need, and this will connect to your strut into the line. Connecting to the strut, connecting to the line. These are flare hoses too, so yeah. Now if you still have your T, or if you had the stock air suspension, I think AC Delco had the same air suspension. If you have your T, or you put the air in, these are fittings you can put on the end of it so it can connect into the hose. And those fittings are, they got them at Ace Hardware. You can Ace Hardware, Home Depot. You know, any plumbing or hardware store has it. Part number, that's what it is. Size, that's what it looks like. Flare, it's about like $2.99, I think. Yep, $2.99. So yeah, for the ones that don't know and that's new to it, this T, this will where you put the air at, to air up your air suspension, and you can just mount this somewhere. Normally it came stock behind the license plate. Like, came stock behind the license plate. This little hole right there. That's where you put it up at. For the ones that don't know or new to some air suspension. Okay, now we here up under the passenger side. As you can, I got this side routed already. Now, if you got a box Chevy, I want to say 1980 to 1990, you can route it like this. Now, as you can see, like on my elbow, I was telling you, that goes into the strut. See, that's where it plugs into. Now, I got it routed. Comes out from there. Now, this was already out here, this little plate. So, I just ran it behind that plate. Comes out right here. I got it. I ran it through the tank. So, it's through there. Ran it through the tank, out the back. Now, I got it. Ran it out the back. This is the back. Ran it through there. It's coming out through here. Then probably gonna route that up through there somewhere in the end. It's gonna plug in. Right up in there is where the T is gonna go. So that's how you can route it. Take that cap for the stop air line. You ain't gonna be needing that. You can put your, go ahead and put your elbow on. Throw your elbow on there. Make sure you have it locked to where you want it positioned, where the hose to go up, up, down, back down. I'm gonna hit that wall, but you know what I mean. I don't think I'm gonna have it going up, about right there.